madam. You are not allowed to come in here when I'm busy. The next time I see you in this palace, your unborn child, your twins at home, your mother in the UK, even your brother in Germany will all leave this earth for me. Now, before I open my eyes, I need you to vanish.
Long live your majesty.
How's he doing? Who are you and what are you doing here?
You shall work for me. You shall kill the king and the princess. Henceforth, you belong to me.
Long live the prince.
What is it? Why are you calling me on the phone again? What now?
Ezinna, I cannot take that oath. I am scared. I can't take it.
Foma, what is your problem? What is actually your problem, for goodness sake? Do you want my father or even your husband to see us standing? Do you want them to see us talking? What is your problem?
Ezinna, my daughter dreamt where I practically ran mad. Why can't you understand this? Do you want it to come to pass?
Can you just stop shouting? You're in the house. Can you just stop shouting? I say you're not going to go mad. You're not going to go freaking mad. Ifeoma, you're not going to go mad. You have your charm with you. I have mine. Understand? Forget about this dream of whatever your daughter had, my niece, or forget about this. Forget about the dream. The Yoruba Herbalist gave us a charm, and that charm now we avert or we make the oath ineffective. You just have to trust me and believe for a second.
Ezinna, I am scared. I am very, very scared. Do you want me to go mad? Okay, what if my daughter's dream comes to pass?
It's not going to come to pass.
What if I go mad?
You're not going to go mad. I am not going to go mad.
Try understand me. It's paining me that you are not understanding me.
I understand you. You're just trying to be emotional in everything. That is the problem. See, listen to me. On the D-Day, you will see that both of us will not go mad. I solidly believe, and that is how it's going to happen. See, look, see, let me tell you, I have other things. Like my boys there, they are calling me on the phone. I need to even leave this village. Since Papa said nobody should leave, I need to even leave. So you have to just coordinate yourself. Pick on the wall, stop this.
Isina. Hey, Chimo, what have I gotten myself into, God? God, come and help me. What if this thing didn't work? What if it didn't work? What will my fate be? Hey! Chimo, come and help me.
Both of you are my two sons. No matter what happens, the hen does not leave its chicks wandering in the bush. I call this meeting because of what we are about to do in this family. It is deadly. And I don't want to lose any of you.
Papa, just go straight to the point. Hit the nail on the head. Let's Kamali, I have something to do at the backyard.
Ezenna, have you been fornicating with your elder brother's wife? Just tell me the truth. Confess to me. I am your father, so that I know what to do and how to go about it, because of your sake and the sake of this family.
Papa, I will say it over and over again. I am not fornicating with Ifoma, my elder brother's wife. It is a taboo that I know of. I have not, and I will never, future, present, and past, see the nakedness of Ifoma, my elder brother's wife. I did not fornicate with her. I did not.
Ezenaya, you need to be careful with the words that comes out of your mouth. You gotta be very careful. That I don't talk does not mean I don't see. I'm not blind. I know what I'm seeing.
Brother, what are you saying? I cannot do it. I cannot sleep with your wife, Ifoma.
Ezenaya, you left your business at the city back to this village doing what? For how long now? For how long? Onye fugi now, ajogi keyine mena village. What will you answer that person? If you're asked what you're doing in the village, leaving your business behind, what will you say? Papa here is giving you fair hearing. Do not drag the gods to a wrestling ground. Oga, they get very difficult.
Papa, I cannot say what I, Ezenaya, did not do. That strange lunatic girl is a liar, a malicious liar, an idiot that just appeared from nowhere and accused me that I impregnated my brother's wife. I am ready to take this oath, Papa. I am ready to take this oath to vindicate myself. Period.
Inugonian, you've heard him. I think there's no need talking any further. Case is closed. Olum Bochinta and Yachono Wellinch.
Good. I've heard you, Ezenna. Till tomorrow then.
I will take the oath, Papa. And all of you in this community, in this family, will see that I am innocent. Calm down again. Every time you're supporting my elder brother. Okay, I'm baptizing at my father's house and relax. Mother and I got vacation in a village, eh? I will not come to the village to feel free, to enjoy my father's compound.
Please, you can't sleep in this room. There is no way I will lay on same bed with you. It's not possible. Just pack your things. Go pack anything that belongs to you. Just pack it and look for any other room in this in this house. You can't sleep in the same room with me. It's not possible.
Obim, are you listening to our daughter? Are you listening to her?
I am listening to her 100%. She's my flesh and blood, not you. You think I don't know? You think I don't know what you and Ezenai have been doing? But whatever it takes the both of you have been doing, keep it to yourself. When the time is right, everything will unveil itself. I can assure you that.
Obim, I'm not sleeping with Ezenai. I am not cheating on you. Why don't you allow tomorrow to come first?
Fine. Since you know tomorrow will come, pack your things and leave this room because I don't trust you one bit. I can't.
Obim,
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Why are you doing this to me, my lord?
Say, I'm going to I'll call my father now. Papa! Just go. Papa! Leave my room.
Get out. I said leave.
Yes, sir, quick.
Who is that? I said who? I ask again, who is this person that is against me? Who is against me in this palace?
How are you feeling, Father?
I feel relieved, my daughter. What about the doctor?
Okay, he went out, but he'll be back.
Okay. Today is better.
And it will always be better.
My princess.
Ekema,
Ma?
is there a problem?
Problem, Kwa? No, my beautiful princess. I thought you called me.
Now listen to me, Ekema.
Okay, ma.
This is my father's private chamber. If you dare walk into this place again like this, you will lose your job. Now,
Hey, ma, I'm sorry.
I said get out!
I'm sorry, ma.
out!
Okay, ma.
Sorry, Father.
What was that?
One of the new maidens. Sorry.
Who will help us to find black gods nice there? Who will help us?
King Williams, you will remain in this pain until you die slowly. I command you to be in coma until I take your life. Why haven't you given me a reply on what I told you? You're such a beauty. You have this glowing skin and very appealing to my eyes. I just can't seem to take my eyes off you.
You are equally beautiful, Ekemma. Too beautiful to be a lesbian. I hope you know that the penalty for being a lesbian is death. If the king's men get to hear this, or if I report you to the king.
So, will you? I'm harmless, you know.
You are indeed harmless.
Tell me something. What exactly are you doing in the palace? I'm curious.
I have an important thing to do.
She's the one. She's going to be a stumbling block. You must kill her.
Mother, I only know her to be a free spirit and kind soul. She can't obstruct my plans.
Fool! You just want to sleep with her. She will read our mission here. Remember, we are here to dwell till eternity.
Mother, allow me do my job.
Idiot. The spell you casted on the king, she removes it. She knows our mission. She is also here to reunite.
No man can take your life if your chi has not consented. I am here as your shield. I am here as your guiding angel.
OSINACHI bia, osirana mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu nisige OSINACHI. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save.
I told you before, stop her from coming here. You have a task at hand.
She has the power to decast a spell? No, this is not possible. How is this even possible? Where did she get her powers from? How did she do it? How is it even possible? the spell. My spell. How?
Papa, what is going on now? What is going on? Udweke is in the palace in form of her daughter. I don't even care, Papa. What is going on, Papa? Why is she taking so long to annihilate the king? Papa, that's not the plan. No, that's not the plan, Papa. Alright, Papa, please, I'll be waiting for you, please. We have to get this done immediately.
My love, do you know what it means to kill a king? Do you know what it takes to kill a king? Our king is powerful. He's not a king you can just wake up and kill. No. You have to take things easy. Patient. Get us there.
What are you saying? Udweke is more powerful. I'm still surprised that we are still wasting time for all this. I am confused. They are wasting time for all this.
Honey, I'm as confused as you are. But you know why I still have this confidence in her? Because I know her. I trust what she can do. I'm sure that she's planning something. She's cooking something big for that royal home. So calm down. Stop getting yourself worked up.
Babe, I don't have all that time. I already boasted to my friend that I'll become the kings in the next few days. And look at me here, still in the same issues.
Are you going to be a king like this? Kings don't get worked up. Kings have heart of a warrior. You don't have one. You need to be a king first becoming a king. You need to have that heart, Obiago. That is what you need. Not this kind of worked up man that you are. You are still my husband, not a king. So first of all, get that warrior heart.
I know, babe.
You're getting paranoid and I don't like it.
I'll try. But it's not easy for me now. You know, I posted to these guys already that I'll become the king.
And you are going to be the king.
Then when? We are wasting time for this same issue.
Trust to Dikeh.
Ometalubulu,
Akage Diocha, Mili Enwilu.
OSINACHI bia, osira na mmadu were.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Stop haunting the palace. I have seen you countless times in my dream. You want to hurt the king, but I will not let you. Stay away from the palace, else you'll hurt yourself.
Do you want my mother to have your soul? She would destroy you. She will end you and end whatever power you think you possess.
You should be afraid of that, and not me. Don't you think so?
On the contrary, I don't. So tell me, OSINACHI, you have the power to intercept my spell, huh? Is this your mission? I like you, you know. Girl, you did enter my eyes. But do not make me change my mind. For the last time, stay away from me. Stay away from my mission. Stay away from this palace.
You are the one who's supposed to stay away from this palace, you abominable soul from the pit of hell. Why do you want to bring in Alwani Date into this kingdom? May I remind you that will not work under my watch.
Very well then. We will see to it.
Anumanu. Ha! Oh, the lab called Ade. Orugo no mume. Ije kwa anu ife mecha soro zu. Manile. Oluwala no mume. Koti ko. I believe you people know the consequences of what you are about to do today. Ifoma, take this water and drink. If you are innocent of the accusation, come forward. Take the water and drink.
Woman, save our time. Drink the water to prove your innocence.
Woman, go ahead. Drink the water. Ezenna! Step forward. My people, the ways of the gods are not the ways of woman. We shall go and wait to hear from the gods.
Your Majesty, Ekema is a better choice for a cook.
My prince, His Majesty prefers OSINACHI to Ekema.
Why do you always interrupt me?
Excuse me.
There's something special about OSINACHI.
Father, do you really know her? Has she been to this room?
She comes to my dream to rescue me.
See? Oh.
I have never seen her. I do not know how the gods sent her to me to rescue me. She must be in this palace.
If that is your wish, Father.
Yes, that's my will. She must be my cook. Yes, my chef.
Igwe.
Babe, you need to calm down, please.
I want her fired.
Why? Why should I fire her?
Now listen and listen good. I am your fiancé. You must obey my instructions. If you do not obey my instructions, consider this relationship over.
Babe, what are you saying? Please calm down. That maiden in question is unique from other maidens. And somehow she has won my father's heart. My father feels safe and calm whenever she attends to him. You can't just wake up and ask I should fire her. Come on.
I'll repeat myself. If you do not obey me, if you do not fire her, forget about me. And this relationship is over. I'm not going to have this conversation with you again.
You see, the gods have vindicated me. I did not sleep with your wife. You have seen it, Uncle. Where is Uncle Paul? Where is that Paul? He's not here. The gods have what? Vindicated me. They have vindicated me. I told you I am innocent. I am purely, perfectly innocent. I did not sleep with my elder brother's wife. I wouldn't forget. You kept me here for 4 days just for me to take an oath. Onguchi, what not happened? I am innocent. I told you. You next shop with this woman, but she's on the yard. You enslaved us, you imprisoned us in your own house, Papa. It's not fair. But this is bad law. A very lunatic stranger.
Don't mind them.
An imbecile. Bellow this place. That I'm accused that I impregnated your wife.
Tell them.
How? Kotobo, me, and Ifoma. No problem. That is how it is so in this house. That is how it is. The gods have vindicated me. Did I not take the oath? I took the oath. You know, I never if I'm tall. Nonsense.
I'm highly disappointed at you. Yes. How could you even accuse her of such a heinous crime? Huh? How could you? Oh, have you seen it? Have you seen it now? The gods have vindicated her. She is innocent. Eh? How could you? Eh? And you, Obina. So you couldn't even trust your own wife. You can't. Eh? Okay, wait. Let me ask you. You thought I raised up a prostitute for you to marry. But you thought she's a prostitute. Okay? Eh? Okay, have you seen it? She's been vindicated. Don't worry. Oh.
Let me educate you a bit. Good. And listen very well. The gods are wise, and days are still counting. That is all I have to tell you for now.
Oh, days are counting.
Bam!
They are counting.
Hopa!
Let it keep on counting. I am waiting.
Yes.
Nonsense. Look at them. Ndara.
I am only a
I know you're missing all your friends in Abuja. I'll soon go back to the city, okay? And then you start your school, alright? Bye. Not to worry. Where will I take you to? This stroll down.
Obin.
Mommy, what are you trying to do? Give my father food?
Adobe, are you out of your mind? Obim, are you going to sit here and watch your daughter insult me? What's the meaning of that, Adobe?
What's the meaning of the bead I heard you're putting on?
What?
When did you start putting on bead?
Bead? How? What bead are you talking about? What do you mean by me putting on bead? How? I am lost here. What are you saying?
Show yourself to my dad, Mom. If you're not putting on any bead, you think I am not smart.
You better start talking, else I'll call the villagers. You think I'm a fool? No, you think you can fool me?
Hey, God. I am not putting on any bead. Have you ever seen me put on bead before? I don't even know what bead looks like. I've never put on bead in my life before now. Eh? Obi, why are you doing this to me? Instead of you to apologize to me for accusing me falsely of sleeping with Ezenna. Why are you doing this to me? Now you're just saying all of this just to cover up. You don't want to apologize to me. Why are you doing this? And you, Adobe. Adobe, watch your mouth in this house. Watch your mouth in this house.
I am watching it, Mom. And I am protecting my father.
Adobe, don't mind her, okay? Please go inside and get me that thing you bought for me. Let me eat, okay?
Hi, Daddy.
Are you serious right now, Obi? Eh? So you want to eat that tasteless rubbish, that sandy food Adobe prepared for you? And look at this delicious jollof rice I cooked for you now. Why are you doing this?
That's sandy food. And that tasteless food makes it more medicinal to my health. Now I will advise you to carry these things and get out of here.
Just what you are doing to me is
don't
not
want to
fair.
bounce on you. Just go.
Is this how you're going to say sorry? Sorry to me? Why do you want to eat that sandy food? Just look at the food I prepared for you. Eh? Hey, is this how you're going to say sorry to me? After accusing me of sleeping with your brother? This is how you want to...
Thank you.
Adobe, you see this your mouth? If you don't shut it in this house, I will shut it for you. If you don't shut your mouth in this house, I am going to shut this your mouth for you. You are biting more than you can chew in this house.
OSINACHI, what did you just do?
You need to stop. Ekema. Stop trying. You can't hurt this one.
You, OSINACHI, you dare challenge me? You dare challenge me?
You need to stop. I have already lost one. I can't lose another. Certainly not this one.
You will go down with the king. We shall see.
Good morning, Your Highness. Food is served.
Stop. Who are you? Tell me about yourself.
Your Highness, my name is OSINACHI.
I learned you came from a faraway kingdom.
Yes, Your Highness.
Who's your father?
Now listen and listen good. You must obey my orders. The next time you disobey my instruction or my orders, you have me to contend with.
What is this? You have never laid your hands on me. I've never seen you like this before. What is happening?
My princess. Food is ready.
Have you attended to my father?
Yes. Princess. It is a taboo for such things to happen. Him laying hands on you.
Look, in my dream last night, someone pushed me into a deadly hole. I didn't see the face. You saved me. You saved me, OSINACHI. You saved this palace. Listen, he wants you to leave, but I don't. At the same time, I don't want to lose my relationship with him. I love him so much. He thought I was lying about the dream. Now he's angry. He's very angry.
It's okay. I am here to stay. And I am going to stay for a very long time.
I'm scared. I don't know who you are, but my father is recovering because you are around. That is what he told me. You came with peace and healing powers. I'm scared.
You don't need to be, princess. Like I earlier said, I am here to stay. Okay?
OSINACHI bia, osera na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu n'isigi OSINACHI. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Kamyaro waka. I am the eyes, I speak the mind of the gods. Anyande moji afuso, neno mo. No force can stop me in this world. No matter the strength, no matter the power. OSINACHI bia, osera na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu n'isigi OSINACHI. OSINACHI, the gift of prophecy.
Mama, stand up! Mama! My mother is dead!
Mama!
My mother is dead! My mother is dead!
Mama! Hey! Mama!
Mama, no! I command life back to you! Mama! Mama, no! No! I command your spirit back to your body! I don't know. I command your spirit back to your body. Mama, no.
Hey.
Shut up! I command life back to you. Mama,
OSINACHI bia, osera na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu n'isigi OSINACHI. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Kamyaro waka. I am the eyes, I speak the mind of the gods. Anyande moji afuso, neno mo.
We want to know why the doctor all of a sudden stopped coming to the palace to treat our king. And you brought your family doctor, and the man disappeared into a thin air. I mean, we want to know the reason. Tell us.
He will return to the palace.
When?
Soon.
When?
I said soon. I can't tell you when exactly, but I want to believe the king is getting better. Is he not? At least he can communicate.
Not so. My prince, I think we need another doctor.
That is true.
We cannot continue to say that the king is getting better and we ignore the result of the illness. It can be a mirage. Yes, I don't understand even the prince. Honestly, we need to go out there and look for another doctor, because the disappearance of the doctor is questionable.
Mr. Prime Minister, why are you always attacking me?
My prince, I don't know what you call attack. I am not attacking you. I'm only stating the obvious. At least, my prince, you should have told us why the doctor stopped coming. You understand? Come on, boy.
How for?
Oh no, please. Let us not make issues here. Please.
Oh no. We will get another doctor.
Wow.
I support you.
Oh.
Perhaps he is afraid to die, just like they killed the royal doctor.
Zobi, you might not be far from the truth. We have to act very, very fast.
He is asking me why I'm putting on a waist bead. Eh? He is asking me. I don't even know how he got to find out I'm putting on a waist bead. Even my daughter Adobe, I don't even know how she got to see the waist bead.
But how can you just expose such a thing? Eh? Is anybody seeing my own? How can you just... Sometimes you just act as if you're daft. You can't just expose something like that. Look, I have sorted myself out. In fact, I've sorted everything that regard to this, okay? You don't put me into this, your shenanigans. I'm not interested, okay? Tomorrow, first thing tomorrow, I'm for Abuja.
Ezena, do you know that you are the cause of all this problem? You are the cause. Now my family are isolating themselves. They are staying away from me, all because of you.
First, I never forced you to spread your legs for me. Yes, I never forced you. It was never on gunpoint. I came to your room. You never pushed me. You never scolded me. You opened freely. Whatever it is that concerns this bead is not my problem. Nothing or wasazim.
Ezena!
Yes, I never forced you. Rapum.
Ezena.
Yes?
Ezena, you know I am married to your elder brother, yet you choose to come to my room every night to touch me. Am I a wound? You think I'm not going to fall for it? I will shishi. Your brother has been going to work for 3 months now without coming back home. Why would I fall for it? You are the cause of all this.
And you couldn't push me away. You know you could not push me out from your bed. I will knock at midnight, you will open. I will ask, you will open. You will give me voluntarily. Now you have come to this bid, every time, see this emotional blackmail, you have to stay away from me at this point, because Muna again is anything. Let me see my boys in Abuja, Goose, see. Hey! It's over between us. You want to go? Don't face yourself, I beg.
This is who you are. Ezena, this is who you are. Hey! I'm putting myself into out. How are you?
So are you ready to tell me the reason for the bid?
Oh, Bim, I am not putting on any waist bead. I swear with everything in me, I am not putting on any waist bead. Please believe me.
Ifeoma, how did I get to know you? How did we get married? How did we get to this point? Because I don't seem to know you anymore.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? What do you mean? How did I get to marry you? I don't understand.
I called this meeting to tell you people that I am no longer interested in marrying Ifeoma.
What?
As far as I'm concerned, this marriage
has ended.
Hey, Obi. Papa. Obi, what are you saying? How can you be saying something like this? Why do you want to end the marriage? Why?
Woman, why are you putting bait on your waist? Tell us.
Yeah, be the one. Ivoma, what is he talking about?
Papa, I don't know the waist bead they are talking about. I don't even know what is going on. What waist bead are you talking about? Papa, since you gave birth to me, have you ever seen me with any waist bead? Tim, have you ever seen me with any waist bead? What waist bead are you talking about? I am not putting on any waist bead.
Look, my son told me that my granddaughter, Adobe, your own daughter, saw you with bait on your waist.
Hey.
Anyway, I don't know your aim or reason of putting bait on your waist. But you see my son here, whatever he asks me to do, I will do it. I will support him. I will never toy with his ways.
Yeah, Ivoma, what are they saying?
I am also here telling you that I don't want this woman again.
Papa, look at me now. Since you gave birth to me, have you ever seen me with a waist bead? Papa, I am not putting on any waist bead. I don't even know where this waist bead of a thing is coming from. I am not wearing a waist bead. How now? Where?
Chelo, Obina, are we quarreling? Biko, I don't like repeating myself. You heard me clear. I said I'm done with your daughter. If you like, as you're leaving now, just take her home.
Look, you mean you want to bundle her back to me? You had him now? You had to be now my son.
Hey.
Obi, after taking care of you while you were sick, I gave you a daughter and 2 miscarriages. And now I am pregnant for you. You are telling me you are no longer interested. Obi, you are going to be interested in this marriage, or this marriage is do or die. You are not leaving me, I'm not leaving you. Obi. You are not going to leave me, I'm not going to leave you.
Please, don't go. You are not quarreling.
Papa, I'm not putting on any waist bead. Have you ever seen me with waist bead since you gave birth to me? Have you ever seen me with waist bead?
Wise one, what is going on? I am losing it. Why is everything not going as planned?
Enough! Can't you see my mother is trying her best?
Oh, she's not telling me what happened. Udweka I know has the power to kill king, queens and royals. So why is my case different? Why can't she kill my uncle the king?
I need to see your father here. Now. Call him. There is a being in the palace that needs to be destroyed. That being is very powerful, untouchable. But I, Dikeh, shall bring her down.
The king's chef. She is not just a chef in the palace. She is not an ordinary maiden.
Hello, Papa? Yes. I'm in the shrine as to speak to you now. And Udweke wants to see you. Okay, Papa. All right. But wise one, if I may ask, who is this chef that is preventing you from killing my uncle, the king?
OSINACHI.
What?
That is the girl's name. Gift.
My my princess, like I was telling you, we must get to the root of this. Because
the thing is getting much, and I'm worried about it.
Huh? Please, let me attend to my son. He's calling. He just got back. I will be back shortly.
You see, my princess, my prayer is that whosoever that is against our kingdom and we go for recovery, that person must die. Because we are sick and tired of this nonsense.
Thank you so much, Ichioji. I really appreciate your effort and that of Ono towards my father's health. Thank you.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess, I think I will be on my way. I have a pressing need to attend to. Ichioji, let me see you later. I got for later. Because I'm all the horses. So.
All is well.
Go well.
So how is he now?
Thank God.
It's all right. He must recover. It's all right. I think I also be on my way.
Okay. All right. Go well.
Okay.
She knows about me. She knows my mission in the palace. Mother, she knows everything.
Then a blood sacrifice should be made. A blood sacrifice should be made in order to weaken her or cage her powers.
No, Mother. I want her dead. I need her dead.
Then she shall die. And every royal blood.
Wise one, I am ready to do anything. I am ready to sacrifice anybody to ascend the throne.
Then the throne shall you ascend. Just relax and put your trust in me.
Thank you, wise one.
Blood sacrifice?
Yes.
Wise one, I am fully prepared.
I love your God.
Udoke, go ahead. I want my son to be king.
Exactly. Bam.
You shall bring the last woman you slept with before coming here.
Wise one, the last woman I slept with was my wife just last night. And you can't tell me to sacrifice my wife and my unborn child.
I said bring the last woman you had sexual intercourse with. She is the ultimate sacrifice. I did not ask you to bring your wife.
Mban, no. No.
But that's my wife now.
Okay, you can't take my daughter-in-law and unborn baby.
Mban.
Do you know what you're saying? Do you know what you're talking about?
That will not work.
My future grandchild. No. Demand for something else, please. I mean request for another person's blood.
We have come this far. No going back. Else, calamity shall befall you.
No.
Your wife is the ultimate sacrifice.
Wise one, I can't sacrifice my wife and my unborn child. It's not possible. There should be another way out now. We should look for something else.
We shall triumph. Udreke must win. And Obike shall be the king.
No. Papa, this can't happen. I can't sacrifice my wife. It's not possible. Oh, mommy, Papa.
Ikechukwu, honestly, don't tell me you flew all the way from abroad to Nigeria to divorce your wife. What? This is not what you're supposed to be telling me, my son. Oh, let me ask, is that why you have been running up and down?
Papa, I'm the one putting on this shoe, and I know where it pitches me. Papa, Rihanna have changed since she came to the UK. She threatened me. She fights me. Nothing she haven't done to me. Papa, no, Papa, see, I don't want to go to jail because UK is a civilized country. As a matter of fact, I'm sick and tired of all this.
Now listen to me. Just bring her back home. Huh? Trick her and bring her back to this village so we know what to do.
Papa, with all due respect, I'm here talking to you because I want you to go and collect the bride price and pay it on her head. It's my hard-earned money, Papa.
Stop it! Stop it! Now let me ask you. Did she cheat on you?
No, Papa.
Did you caught her with another man?
Papa, no.
You only complain is that she's stubborn and disrespectful.
Is that not enough reason for me?
It is not. What do you know about women? It's just because you're a small boy. You don't know anything about women, especially the pregnant ones. Like I said, bring her home and allow her to put to bed first. After that, we'll not know what to do. You know?
Papa, please reason with me. Do you want Lena to kill me first in UK before you start reasoning with me? Papa, I'm sick and tired of this. This woman come to the UK and change all of a sudden. This is not the Lena you used to know, Papa.
Now, take me back to the palace. I don't have all day.
Papa, I'm no longer your son.
This meeting is over.
Obike, listen to me. Listen to me.
Papa, just telling me to calm down.
Listen, calm down. I understand you. Remember she said to OSINACHI is untouchable for now. How do you intend to take her off if not like this? How?
Papa, forget all those ones you are saying. Which untouchable, Papa? Papa, I will deal with that girl, oh. I will deal with that girl, Papa. I will send boys to kidnap her and nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Obike.
Papa.
Obike.
Papa.
You were there. You heard what she said. Obike, please. I'm in total confusion right now.
But Papa, who is this girl? Who is this girl?
Listen to me. You said you want to be...
Who?
Honey, you're back. Papa, you're back. How did it?
How did it go?
No, everything is okay. And please, is there any food in this house? I'm hungry.
Yes, I made something nice.
Okay.
Oh, he's not happy. How did it go?
Oh, don't worry about him. Don't worry. Please just get me something. Let me eat. We'll talk about that later.
Okay. Okay.
How you doing now? Hey, how much be this okra now?
500.
500, how now? No be 200.
This one, okra, not big.
Ha, customer, why they do like that now?
No,
Eh?
they sell market for
I be your customer, oh. Eh? So you no go say to me? Ha, now wow. This one okra will be like waiting. You dey mad? Eh? You dey mad? How you gonna say this thing? For a hold on for 500. Who gonna make I leave this thing for you? How? How you gonna say this thing? How you gonna say this thing 500? Eh? Your mate they say 200. You dey say 500. I know this thing is 500 for your eye. This one go be 500. Come on, leave this thing. I go use and got you now. Eh? What did you say? You dey say rubbish. Eh? You dey crazy? You don't dey mad? What are you dey say 500? What are you dey say? What are you dey even dey say? Eh? 500. So wait. For waiting. 500. Eh? This nonsense.
Alright, copy this ones. But you're going to circle the odd number and the even number. I taught you how to circle the odd number and the even number.
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Alright. Are you sure? So what is odd number?
Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2.
That's my baby. Alright, so give me another example of an odd number.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
That's my girl. Alright, so go on, keep copying. Have you seen them?
Hey!
Come, Nze. What happened?
As we speak now, Informer is running mad at the market square.
What?
My wife told me that she saw her running mad, destroying people's property, screaming that she slept with her brother-in-law. Ezen. Do you see it? As we are talking now, my wife told me that she's stark naked, completely, and she is destroying people's goods with impunity.
Nze, I have an important meeting to attend. Obinna, I'll stay with your daughter. Eh? A stubborn fly goes down to the grave with the corpse. Let's say that invite the bees. Be instead by the bees. She's preferred to play smart with the girls. Let she save herself. Let me get something inside.
Okay, you're okay. You mean you're not going to do anything? I'm okay.
Daddy, is mommy running mad in the market?
No, not you, mommy. Continue. He's talking about something else.
Has he picked his call?
No, Papa. He has not.
Which means the news is real. Ezenna, my son, is now running mad in the Kenga kingdom. He was the one that brought that upon himself. Yes, he was the one that brought that upon himself. Let
Let him face it.
Darkness is here.
I'll come. Don't go anywhere.
Who will help us? Black gods nice there. Who will help us? This is
Stop! Hey! What are you doing here? What I didn't love this. No, stop! Listen, I have told you time without number that I will not have anything to do with you. I will not have anything to do with a woman of infidel. Yes.
Baby.
Just go, please. Go. I don't want trouble. Leave my room.
Obi, why would you say I'm cheating on you? Oh.
You are cheating on me.
Me that have been keeping my body, everything for you.
No, you are cheating on me.
No, you are the one cheating on me. You that will travel for 3-4 months. You will not come back to the house. You are the one cheating on me. Why would you be saying I'm cheating on you? For you to be saying that you are the one cheating on me. Baby,
Don't touch me.
You are the only man.
Don't touch me!
The only one I know.
Don't touch me. Since you don't want to leave, I'll leave the room.
Obi, why are you doing this? Why are you treating me like this? Baby, Obi, I am not cheating on you. You are the one cheating on me, this man. You are the one cheating on me. Come and give me my right, oh. Come and give me my right, oh. This thing you are doing is not good, oh. Obi.
Daddy, let's go to the market and see if it's true. Daddy, you're crying.
Come. I will be fine. Okay? I'll be fine, okay?
Red.
Oh, hello. Abomination. Abomination.
So, this is how you ended up. This is how you rule your life. I warned you. As in I warned you. Just look at yourself. Apochana baka weti eloko kahake. Akochana mi demiri we buru. Hey! All the money I spent on your head. The university, the business your Obinaya opened for you, all is gone. Just like that. Just like that.
Okonkwo, butuo nwanne m biko. Asị m afụ m egwu na-egbu oke, ma ekwuo ma anụ egbu nwata. Sorry. So big ike. There's nothing we can do now. Just let us arrange on how to take him to the evil forest. That's all. Okay. Butu.
Hey! Ezenna.
But we know one day
You look worried. What is the matter? Honey, are you not going to say anything to me? What is it? To make matter worse, you refuse telling me what the problem is. Talk to me, I'm your wife. What is it? Are we not keeping secrets? Babe? Talk to me, what is it?
Woman, can you let me be, please? Let me be, please. I am tired of this, your constant nagging. Wise one, I am here to discuss with you. It took my wife almost 7 years to get pregnant. And you're telling me you need her blood for sacrifice. Wise one, I love my wife so much. Please, don't kill my wife.
Obike, your name signifies heart of a lion. Do not be chickened. You must be brave to become king. There is a time in the life of every great man that an ultimate sacrifice needs to be made.
Yes, you're right. I have 3 side chicks. I could easily sacrifice one. I could even add a prostitute if you want. But not my wife, please. I love and cherish my wife so much.
Do not be sarcastic. I do not entertain sarcasm in my shrine. It would have been fair enough if you had not slept with your wife that night you returned from your girlfriend's house. You went to your girlfriend's house and you had sexual intercourse with her. Yet you got home, your wife demanded for sex and you gave it to her.
It's not my fault now. It's not my fault. I actually refused, but she insisted. She kept on crying. And the doctor advised that I should at least make love to her once a week for easy delivery.
Obike, blood sacrifice must be made. The last woman you slept with, you have 2 days.
Wise one, Biko now, Biko, please. Wise one, I'm begging you, please. Please, I can't sacrifice my wife. She is all I have, wise one. I will do any other thing you ask for, please. Please, not my wife, please. I'm begging you.
A singing bird likes to sing and mock the sky. But when the wind comes, it blows away the bird and its nest. You have been a singing bird, haven't you? Are you done singing? I am going to kill you and rejoice with the gods after doing that.
I know the spirit that possessed you. You need help. You were once a good man, a good prince. But you allowed yourself to be possessed by this demon, used by this demon. My prince, please. You need to allow me go back to the palace. I need to make food for the king. Please.
You're going to do that in hell.
My prince, please.
Finish her.
Ometalubulu, Milemwilo, Akamudiocha.
We don't tell me say place in our family.
Don't touch me if you don't want to end up like your friend. Don't touch me.
Please, where is the king's cook? I mean, OSINACHI, where is she?
I have no idea.
My princess, she's nowhere to be found.
Ogalebe.
It is possible she's gone to see a man.
That girl must be sacked. She's not going to be welcome in this palace.
Says who? Who gave you power to decide?
Oh.
You know what is good for you? Sit down the way you are sitting. Relax very well and shut up your mouth.
Oji, how dare you talk to me like that? How dare you? Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Probably a beggar from the king? Because I know you have nothing apart from the king providing for you and your family. How many of your children were you able to train apart from the king? Listen, the way you are carrying your shoulder in this palace is unbecoming. And very soon.
Oji, the money you used to get from this palace to feed your family, do you know where the money comes from? Let me tell you, Oji, I am from this royal family, and the blood runs in my vein. You are nobody, Oji. Just keep quiet. You are nobody, Oji. You are nobody.
Yes, I agree.
You are great. 1 point.
How many people?
No, 1 point. You are great. So stay down.
Did you hear what I said?
Babe, what did you say?
I said I've been having a series of nightmares. I see myself dead. Sometimes I witness my burial.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I guess that would be a sign of you putting to bed in no time. What do you think?
I'm just 7 months gone. It's not as if I'm going to put to bed tomorrow. You just have to say something else.
Maybe we should just contact the doctor at least to come examine you to know what the problem is.
That's fine. So you said she demanded for a blood sacrifice?
Yes.
So what are you waiting for?
Babe.
You think it's easy to kill a king? It's not easy. She must fortify herself first. It's not an easy task, and that king is not easy to kill. I will not say this again. I want to be the queen of this kingdom. Come rain, come sunshine.
It's okay, babe. I've heard you, okay? Just relax yourself. I'm sure everything will be sorted out.
Anything you're doing, better do it fast.
I know you. I know you. It's you. It's you. I know you. I know you. It's you. I know you. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Eh? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? I know you. You know me. I know you. I know you. You know me. You know me. You know me. I know you. You know me. I know you. You know me. I know you. I know you. You know me. I know you. You know me.
Evil.
I know you. I know you. You know me.
Is it not the right time to kill the king? What are you waiting for? Especially now that the strange girl is out of the palace.
She's coming back.
Huh?
Yes.
The prince said she won't be back. He ordered his boss to kill her. Do something.
The last thing you will ever do is to doubt me. Don't. Your son must sacrifice his wife.
Huh?
OSINACHI is not dead.
I don't understand.
We need help. We need help.
Did you see OSINACHI?
I don't know. Your father was coughing, so I decided to help him. He's sleeping now.
Okay, thank you.
My princess.
Where have you been?
If you need anything, just let me know.
All right.
Your father is asleep. He doesn't need any disturbance.
Okay.
I repeat, he must not be disturbed.
All right, noted. Thank you.
All right.
Someone took me out of the palace, but I'm here now.
Remain here, I'll be right back.
Baby, my prince. Ometalubulu. Akage de ocha. Mile milo. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Was I dreaming?
Oh, no, Your Majesty.
I need to speak to my daughter now.
Your daughter? Okay, fine. I will go call her.
OSINACHI bia, osirana madu warebia. Amama mburu nisige sinachi. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. I am the eyes, I speak the mind of the gods. Anyande moja fusa, nenumo. No force who can stop me in this world. No matter the strength, no matter the power. OSINACHI bia, osirana madu warebia. Amama mburu nisige sinachi. OSINACHI, the gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world.
My prince, hey, that girl is a demon, a witch. My prince, a black demon. It's God that saved me from that girl's hand. She was one that spared me, my prince. See, I don't even know the kind of power that girl had.
Shut up. You had just one job. You were instructed to kill her. A common maid. A common maid. A common cook. And you could not do your job. Why?
No, my prince, I think you don't understand what I'm saying. I said that girl is a witch. Black demon. See, my prince, the truth of the matter is that I don't even know you are calling her.
Keep quiet. If she's a witch, like you said, you brought her out of the palace, right?
Yes.
So why did she kill you?
My prince, that I cannot explain.
Why did she not kill you?
Maybe the demon in her did not come that particular day that we kidnapped her.
Get out.
Sir?
I said get out.
My prince, okay, the balance. Sorry, sir.
Why are you searching for me?
Ezechi, you called off our engagement. Why?
Because I can't be with a woman who's disrespectful. No, I can't.
Ezechi, can you be serious? That girl in question is doing all she can to revive my father, and my father is regaining his strength.
Is she a doctor? Is she a physician? No.
Whatever she's doing, she's helping my father, and my father wants her to stay. Why are you being impossible?
She's not a physician. Let her go.
What has come over you?
Listen and listen good. Years ago, your father banished a lot of people and called them wizards, witches, sorcerers. Am I right or wrong?
Those days, the people never meant well for the kingdom. They were using those powers against their fellow humans, hurting and killing them. It was very rampant. You should go and read history about all of that.
The question is, did your father banish them or not?